May samot-samot na. Pang-pilan nyo na po kayo eh.
First time.
First time? Alin naman?
First time po.
First time dito?
First time.
First time?
Yung kinain namin pang hanggang next week na.
Nanababa Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Grillworkz. Located po ito dito sa may
Citicenter Angeles City.
Yes, Mark.
Titingnan natin kung what they offer and check natin kung ano yung dining experience dito.
So if you wanna know more about this, guys, samahan nyo po kami.
So tara, let's
Let's go!
go!
Yun, Grillworkz. Okay. So coming in dito sa main dining area natin. Ang lawak.
Pwede ito kahit isang daan na
Up until
makatao.
100, I think so.
And na-notice ko dito is, ano kaya yung mga tong klaseng mga lutuan na to?
Ito. So para silang grill box.
Yes, kaya siguro unlimited barbecue and tayo magbo-barbecue.
Tayo magbabarbecue.
So let's see kung paano yung experience dito.
Upo na tayo. Alright. So dito guys, as soon as you enter, kapag gusto mo na mag-order, they're gonna give you this order form. So check mo yan kung ilang gusto mo, and then they're gonna give it. Ayan, ito yung unang batch natin for the grill ito.
Basically, gagawin lang natin, tigda dalawa muna para matikman natin.
Oh, okay. Ito guys, unlimited sisig, unlimited sushi, lechon at saka sisig na sushi, chicken wings, chicken bat, shawarma. Ito guys, meron tayong Betamax, helmet, Adidas, Isaw, chicken and pork pisngi, pork barbecue, hot dogs.
Ooh, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Excited.
Alin naman?
First time po.
Taga-Norin kayo po?
Tutod po.
Tutod. So far sir, pangpila mo na yung order eh.
Ay,
Ano na?
May pasubo, sir.
Hindi pa subo, manyaman. Alright. First time dito.
First time.
So far so good?
Yaman.
Manyaman? Alright, thank you po.
So, syempre, ito yung mga grill natin. Yung mga food natin, yan. So, later titikman naman natin kung pasado yung pagluluto
So
ko.
imagine guys, for as low as 249 pesos, ang daming option, and at the same time, ito yung mga natin ito yung mga favorite street food talaga natin. And again, ulitin lang namin, if you wanna upgrade to additional seafood choices, so meron tayong unlimited shrimps at saka unlimited squid, add lang tayo ng 50 pesos, 299 pesos, sold, super sold.
Wow!
Right, so dito pala guys, you can stay up until 2 hours. So yun yung maximum hours natin or time natin limit to enjoy everything. So wanna try this one, ito yung kanilang sushi sisig. Yum!
Right, Pampanga!
Yes, hello!
Sa mga naghahanap ng mga unlimited barbecues, so available yan dito sa may Grillworkz. So, sold na sold 249 pesos mo. Alright!
So yun guys, isa na namang expedition sa mga unlimited grill dito sa Grillworkz. Ayun,
Yeah, so,
napasug ako bro.
Actually, sa mga mahilig talaga mag-street food, lalo
Yes.
na mga barbecues,
Yes, yes.
talagang sulit na sulit mo dito sa may Grillworkz.
Actually, natawag nga natin siya parang premium street food.
Yes.
And at the same time ako, nagustuhan ko dito yung different kind of experience. Parang
Yes.
nakatayo yung mga nag-grill, no? Hindi yung
Yes.
usual na nakaupo. different kind of experience.
Yeah, so Grillworkz is open from 2 p.m. until 12 midnight from Monday to Sunday.
Alright guys, so yun, if you're looking for another, experience of food, yung mga grills, street food,
Yes.
basta unlimited guys. If you're looking for those kind of dishes, look for Grillworkz dito po sa Pandan, Angeles City.
So,
Yun, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.